Too many dope rides around all the time, man. What do you think? Supercharged Range Rover, about 650 horsepower. Or we still got the M5 in the shop, things outside in the rain. But it's all about that exhaust clip, baby, so we'll let you be the judge.
Hey, hit it.
Okay. Okay. More fresh rubs from my friends at Toyo Tires. Thank you guys for sending these. These are my R888R all-season tires for the all-road, which I've convinced myself that I'm turning into a most road. So I'm super stoked to get these things on the car. They're 20s, and replace the stock wheels, stock tires, and I got some sweet big brakes that are paint matched to the car too. Let me show you these things. They're gonna be badass. This is like straight up kid in the candy store shit right here. Oh, dude. Oh my God. You see that? No, you don't. See that? No, you don't. But wait, that's not even the best part. These are 405 millimeter brakes. These are like easily the biggest diameter that Brembo currently makes. I don't know why I need that, but being a car guy is not about need, it's about want, right? Check out this caliper. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh hey, what's up, Jesse? Yes. Get the combo meal. Check this out. Gotta have the mock-up to get the full effect. Oh my God. Dude. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh fuck, I put it on backwards. Dude, see that? It's literally 405 millimeters, 16 inches in diameter for all y'all non-metric folks out there. So I'm gonna get this stuff on the car as soon as I get the wheels in from Rotiform. What's up, Rotiform? What's up, John? HNDs, 20s, 3-piece, brushed aluminum. Should look pretty sweet. So the Dadmobile is getting a little bit less practical day by day. Yeah.
En español.
Por favor.
Por favor.
Las mejores luces, los mejores precios aquí en TRS para tus luces de carro.
What Luisha said is that we love Bixenon headlights here at TRS, so we got the Bixenon Pinata and we about to blast it. Come get the candy. Woo! Oh, that was too easy, man.
Dive in for everything.
Ah, that's pretty good. I like Starburst. Oh, that's awesome.